Hi, so I'm Surya, and this is my prototype for GreenGrowth AI tax platform. So I picked two challenges. Challenge one is source document traceability, and the second challenge is AI trustworthy of AI. So I picked these two for a reason. GreenGrowth works with cannabis companies, and some of them are public companies, so their numbers should get audited. That means every number needs an audit trail. And the second, the AI has to be transparent because of an accountant does not trust it, they will just not use it. So that is what I built. Number one, AI audit trail for every number. Number two, an AI for accountability trust. Okay, quick note on the stack. So this is the React. This is the React Signal app, and which is built by White. All the data is mock data, so there is no real data or near document scanning, but the front end is fully wired, so the traceability runs on real data model, and the AI reviews the real state behind it. So the first screen is built around actions, not reports. So you can see the source documents and the fields, and which needs to be reviewed, and the high priority AI flags, and each one links straight to the work. So okay, so let me open the written review. This is the challenge one. So the rule I designed around is simple. No number should be a black box, so you should always know the scores. So I built the audit trail as a chain of filings: the written field, the extracted value, the source document, and the exact box, the document, and the math applied between them. So look at the wage numbers. This is a calculated field, not a direct one. So in this box, one form, two different W2s. You can see there's two different W2s added together, so two employees. Now most software would just show up the total, but I showed both source documents and I showed the math, and yeah. So if you go to if you click this W2 Northwind Texas ready, you can see it highlights the exact box the value was pulled from. So the whole trail is auditable, field to the value to the document and to the box. So you can see, yeah. And now if we move to home mortgage interest, so and the real tax data is messy, so I avoid the edge cases, not just one. Clean example. So the mortgage field is flat, the loan balance is over the limit, so the deducted may be capped, but the AI cannot confirm that from the document alone. So instead of guessing, it hands it to the preparer. You can see we can verify the figure and we can flag it. So, and if we go to adjusted gross income, and this is the calculated field, so it is logged in the UI, so there's nothing we can edit here, so you cannot type into it. It is computed from the income lines above it, so you can edit those instead. And every field has a stage badge and verified extracted AI, and you see which needs review and locked, so you can always know what can be edited and what not. And let's jump into a review. So this is the challenge 10. So this is a firm-wide queue of AI suggestions across clients sorted by priority, and each one has their confidence score. And for every suggestion, the UI answers 6 things: what the AI did, why, what evidence is used, and when it's not sure, what action need to be taken and how to correct it. So you can see. So let's go to this. Okay, so let me open this because this is GreenGrowth's core business. So this is cannabis client, and there is a tax rule. There's a tax rule 28 like 280E. It says a cannabis business cannot detect normal operation expenses, things like rent or marketing. The only allowed detection is cost of goods sold, like the goods sold. So the AA flags 412,000 of operating expenses as non-detectable. But now look at this section where it shows what is not sure about. The AA does not give you the final number because detecting how much can be moved into cost of goods sold is a cost accounting decision. So this is accountant's call, not the AA call. So the AA flags flags the risk, so has a high priority, but it knows its limits. It does not cross into professional judgment. So if you go to R&D, so here the AA is asked to calculate the R&D tax credit, but the supporting documents are not yet uploaded. So watch what it does. It does not generate a number. It returns a blocked state. It lists exactly which documents are missing, and it sends the document request. You can see request documents from the client, and notice there's no confidence score here because there's no estimated to be confident about. So this is a design decision I'm most proud of. And so if we move, so if the A is wrong, correcting it is built in, and when you correct it, the system logs into as human decision. For suppose if I press edit value, if I enter something 4567, save corrections, I can see you can see that it's been corrected. So yeah, and so the app is role aware. So watch when I switch it to client, the peer conference scores and the internal notes disappear. Same app, same components, but each role sees the right level of detail. So the complexity is hidden, not removed. So that's it. Traceability and trustworthy AI built around how GreenGrowth actually operates. And one last technical note: the AI layer is stub function. It returns fake JSON, but in the exact same format a real API would return. So you swap the stub for a real API call, and nothing in the UI has to be changed. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.